Hi friends, this is Lakshman. Welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to talk about the difference between SQL and NoSQL. So someone is pronounced like a SQL, or you may pronounce like a SQL. Okay, so in this session, I'm going to discuss about the main difference between SQL and NoSQL. First, let me tell you what is SQL. SQL stands for Structured Query Language. Okay, SQL or SQL is the standard language for dealing with relational databases. It can be used to insert, search, update, and delete database records. And it can also do a lot of other operations, including optimizing and maintenance of the databases. For example, examples for relational databases like MySQL, Oracle, SQL Server, Sybase are the examples for a relational database. Whereas NoSQL is not a structured query language. It is a unstructured language. Okay, it is completely based on the it is in the form of documentation, okay, graphs, so etc. Okay, now let us see the main difference between SQL and NoSQL. SQL is a relational database or DBMS, whereas NoSQL database are non-relational database or distributed databases. SQL is a query-based language, whereas NoSQL is a declarative query language. No declarative query language. SQL databases are vertically scalable. That means we are storing the data in the vertical format. That means we are storing the data in the table format. Whereas NoSQL database can be document based, graphs, key value paired databases. SQL databases are suitable for complex query intensive work environment. Suppose if you want to use joins concept to stored procedures, triggers, such type of if you want to use those topics, you want to write complex queries, then it is highly recommended to use SQL queries, SQL. NoSQL database are horizontally scalable and it is not suitable for complex query. SQL allows ACID models such as atomicity, consistency, isolation, durability. NoSQL follows base model such as basically available, soft state, eventually consistent. Then examples for SQL relational databases: Oracle, MySQL, SQL Server, Sybase. And examples for NoSQL database are MongoDB, DynamoDB, Cassandra, CouchDB. These are the examples for NoSQL databases. Now you may get doubt when to use SQL and when to use NoSQL. First, let me see when to use SQL. SQL preferred when building customer reports, when the requirement is to store and get data from the database, and if communication is required from different related tables, then we should use SQL. That means if there are communicate on different tables, you have to get the data from the different tables, then you must use by writing complex queries to get the data from the different tables. At that time, we must use SQL. If you want to write complex queries using joins, views, storage procedures, then I highly recommended use SQL only. Then when to use NoSQL? If you want to handle large volumes of structured, semi-structured and unstructured data, then we should use NoSQL. And it follows the modern development practices such as agile sprints, quick iterations, and frequent code pushes. And it is also recommended whenever you are using object-oriented programming. That is easy to use and flexible. And it is also used when you are using when logging data from variety of sources. Then it is highly recommended to use NoSQL. So that's all, guys. So I hope you enjoy my videos. So please keep follow my video, my YouTube channel, and I will update you on latest technologies on every day. So please subscribe to our YouTube channel and support us and likes us and share our videos. So thank you for watching.